What's up, y'all? Tyson here with Captain Spiffy, and I'm coming at you with a brand new inventory item in the Captain Spiffy showroom. Let's take a look. This right here is the Icon EV i20U. The U stands for utility. As you can see, it pretty much has all the same components as a regular Icon EV golf cart. It's equipped with your 5 kilowatt motor, the 450 amp controller, AGM batteries, front independent suspension, rear coilover suspension. You have your blinkers, your high lows, custom steering wheel, a nice digital cluster that shows your mileage and your speed, some stitch seating, seat belts, the whole 9 yards, okay? Onboard intelligent charger as well. But what makes this unique is this 6-foot bed. The 6-foot bed is extremely versatile. Why is that? Well, it's 6 foot. You have a back quick lift gate right here, and you have an automatic control up here. Okay, I just hit that button and it starts going up. Okay, so this right here is great for utility usage, for gardening, for mulching, for gravel, all sorts of stuff. This right here actually sold to a local middle school that is going to use it as an athletic training cart. Okay, so you can fit a person back there too, with it being 6 foot, and transport them as well. So let's take a look at how clean this interior is. Right here in this left corner, that's your onboard intelligent charger. That box over there is your solenoid and your 450 amp controller. And look at that heavy duty suspension in there. The coilovers, the 5 kilowatt motor, the EMB. It is very, very clean. The Icon EV i20U is one of the most versatile carts on the market. You can use it for your athletic training staff, so schools can use it. You can use it gardening, for mulching, all sorts of stuff. If you have a business and you need to transport people or items to and from, perfect, okay? This thing gets the job done, and it's really good looking too, okay? And it starts at $12,999, okay? So call us today at 765-299-0433 to order one of these bad boys.